गया. Some type of chemical reactions are listed. थोड़े से रह गए नाम, बस ये खत्म करें. Some types of chemical reactions are listed. Acid-base combustion, redox. Which types of reaction occur in a blast furnace during the extraction of iron? ये blast furnace वाला मैं खोल के भी बता देता हूँ. किधर गया blast furnace? Metals, ये वाला उठा लेते हैं. 1 second, मेरे पास इसका. हाँ चलो, किधर चला गया? अच्छा, blast furnace. Let's just show you. ये blast furnace है, ठीक है. Extraction of iron. Remember the processes. Remember extraction of iron. तो I'll just go through extraction of iron very quickly, and just to recap. उसके अंदर ना तीन चीजें डालते हैं. You add coke, you add hematite, and you add limestone, right? And what happens is कि पहले तो वो coke, which is coal, ठीक है. That's basically a type of coal. उसको burn करते हैं, उसको आग लगाते हैं. Coke starts to burn. It starts to produce a lot of heat. So that's why you see the blast furnace catching fire, red hot, ठीक है. So it burns a lot. And that produces a lot of heat. Some of the coke also reacts with carbon dioxide, turns into carbon monoxide. The hematite, which is Fe2O3 with a lot of impurities like sand. What happens to hematite? It gets reduced. Carbon aata hai, it steals the oxygen and it turns into carbon dioxide. Iron gets produced. And then what you have is, you've got, then what you have is the limestone goes, decomposes, turns into a basic calcium oxide, which then starts reacting with the acidic silicon oxide. And when it starts reacting with silicon oxide, so when it starts reacting with silicon oxide, it turns into silicate, which is slag. तो वो top surface के ऊपर the slag floats around, ठीक है, on the top surface. So question किधर गया? So what type of chemical reactions are listed? All three, I guess, because if I go back, combustion is happening, redox is happening, reduction of iron oxide is happening, plus you got an acid-base reaction that's going on as well. तो तीनों हो रहे हैं. बात खत्म. 1 2 3, ठीक है. That's the answer A.